and welcome to the Monster Emotions series with me, Emma. Before we meet today's monster, let's warm up together. Nola is going to help us warm up today. Hello, Nola. Roll your shoulders backwards. Put your hands on your shoulders and roll your elbows backwards. And now the arms. Change direction and roll the arms forwards. The elbows. And now the shoulders. And shake out your body. Squeeze your shoulders upwards and relax. Squeeze and relax. Squeeze and relax. And shake your body out once more. Spread your legs and bend your knees down and up. Down and up. Bring your feet together and reach up to the sky and touch the floor. Up to the sky and touch the floor. March on the spot. And now run and freeze. Run as fast as you can and freeze. Run, run, run. And freeze. Put your hands on your hips and make nice big circles. And the other direction. Swing your arms back and forth. Shake out your feet. Excellent. Are you all warmed up now? Which monster do you think we are going to meet today? It's our sad monster. Can you make a sad face? How do you stand when you feel sad? Can you show me? How do you walk when you feel sad? The sad monster sometimes walks slowly with its head down to show how it feels. Sometimes it cries because it's so sad. You walk around the room like the sad monster, slowly with your head down. Oh. The sad monster wants to know what makes you feel sad. Today, we are going to help our sad monster to feel happy and calm. First, let's play a game. I will name a colour and I want you to find something around your house that is the same colour. Are you ready? Let's start with blue. Off you go. Did you find something? Next, let's choose green. The last colour will be orange. Now I want you to go and find a soft, cuddly toy that you think will help our sad monster to feel happier. And when you come back, we'll do our stretches together.
This is how to stretch your body to help relax your sad monster. Stand tall and strong. Breathe in and out. In and out. Step your right foot back. Bend your left knee and reach your arms up. Breathe here for a few seconds. Move the right foot back further and turn your body to face the side. The arms should be in a straight line, the right arm stretching backwards and the left arm stretching towards the front. Bring your hands to the floor and step the left foot back. Bend your knees gently and by pushing your hands into the floor, push your bum upwards with your knees staying bent. Breathe here. Lift the right leg in the air and step forward. Reach your arms up and repeat on this side. Move the left foot back further and turn your body to face the other side. The arms should be in a straight line, with the left arm stretching backwards now and the right arm stretching towards the front. Bring your hands to the floor and step the right foot back. Bend your knees gently and by pushing your hands into the floor, push your bum upwards with your knees staying bent. Breathe here. Bring your knees to the floor. Push your bum back onto your feet. Rest and breathe here. Your arms can be straight out in front of you. Or bring your hands to rest under your forehead. Or let them relax at your side. Whatever is comfortable for you. When you are ready, you can slowly move to sit up. Well done.
Now we are going to use our hands and fingers to massage.
Nola is going to help me show you how massage can help to calm our monsters. Would you like me to draw shapes on your back today, Nola? We always ask permission before we touch someone else's body. Nola has answered with yes, please. If you don't want anyone touching your body right now, that is okay and that is your choice. Maybe you would like to massage your soft toy instead. If you would like a massage today, maybe you can use your hands to draw a picture of your monster on your partner's back or on your cuddly toy. What shapes can you draw on your partner's back? When you are finished, you can rest your hands on your partner's back. Now you can swap over. Remember to ask permission first. Would you like me to draw shapes on your back today? When you are finished, you can rest your hands on your partner's back. Well done.
Slowing down our breathing can help calm our monster. Let's practice together now.
Sit nice and tall. Bring your hands in front of your heart. Breathe in as you reach your arms straight up and breathe out as you stretch your arms down to the sides. Breathe in as you reach up. Breathe out as you stretch your arms down to the sides. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Arms reaching straight up and down to the sides. Maybe you could try closing your eyes. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Bring your hands to rest on your legs. Take a breath in and out. Well done.
You should already have a soft, cuddly toy that makes you feel better when you're sad. If you don't, maybe you could use a pillow or a soft blanket instead. Cuddle your teddy and choose a superpower to help you take care of your sad monster. Which superpower would you like to choose today? Happiness, kindness, or gentleness? Cuddle your teddy and repeat your superpower after me. I am happy. I am kind. I am gentle. Let's try that again. I am happy. I am kind. I am gentle. Well done. Find somewhere comfortable to lie with your soft toy and listen to our story.
Close your eyes, be very still, and imagine that in front of you is the most beautiful rainbow. The colours are twinkling in the light. You have never seen such a colourful rainbow. It makes you feel so joyful and light just looking at it. You notice the beginning of the rainbow and you decide to climb it. The rainbow is made of thousands of tiny lights, all different colours. As you take each step and your foot touches the rainbow light, your body is filled with energy. As you climb, you feel full of excitement and anticipation. Where does the sparkling rainbow lead? You reach the top. The view is spectacular. You decide to slide down. It feels such fun. This is the biggest slide in the world. Finally, you reach the bottom. Has the rainbow taken you into another magical rainbow world? Is there a pot of gold waiting for you? Spend a few moments enjoying the world at the end of the rainbow. And now, when you are ready, wiggle your fingers and toes, have a big stretch and open your eyes. I am happy. I am happy.
How do you think the monster feels now? Is it calm? Is it relaxed? How do you feel? Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you soon.